Diet for belly fat, spare tire or love handles. Depending on the generation you are part of, you either have a spare tire, love handles, or a muffin top. Whichever the case, this only means one thing: you are overweight and you carry it mostly around your middle and you need a diet for belly fat. There could be any number of reasons that you have failed to lose the weight you have around your middle, but the main reason is probably too many bad carbs. You could also have a problem with your thyroid, or maybe take a medication that has weight gain as a side effect, or if you are of menopause age, then your hormones could be getting in the way. Make sure to subscribe to not miss future videos. And gives us a thumbs up. Those last three are not so easy a fix, but if the problem is just too many bad carbs, then this is an easy fix. The fix is just to eat fewer carbs. You should be consuming no more than 30 grams of carbs a day. Less if you want to lose weight a little faster. The first thing you need to figure out is how many carbs you take in one day. Do this by keeping a food journal and write down everything you put in your mouth for about a week. Writing in a journal will help you see where you have to make changes. You will get to see just exactly how many fruits and vegetables you eat this way, too. My guess is that you do not eat nearly enough of either. A diet for belly fat should be loaded with fruits and vegetables. Do you need a cup of coffee in the morning to wake up? Do you stop by your favorite coffee store every morning? You could probably cut out quite a few of those bad carbs by either giving up the daily latte or changing over to regular coffee. Better yet, start drinking green tea. Green tea has lots of antioxidants and fat-burning properties that will assist you in your weight loss. Instead of that bowl of cereal in the morning, you would do yourself a favor by having a breakfast higher in protein like eggs. Scramble up 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg, skip the toast, and if you have to have meat, try some turkey bacon. It really is a great alternative to the regular stuff. You need to increase your intake of better fats and lean meats, as well. By better fats I mean the omega-3s and mono and polyunsaturated variety. Fish is good for the omega-3 oils, especially salmon. Start using olive oil to cook instead of butter or margarine, and get a good olive oil or canola oil non-stick spray to use too. Most of all, watch how much you eat in one sitting. Cutting your portion sizes can help you lose a significant amount of weight. Read your labels to figure out what the serving size is and measure your food out if you have to, for a while, until you get good at eyeing how much should be on your plate. Follow these simple tips for a diet for belly fat and you will see results quickly. If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Enjoy your journey.